How much is this, Quickie? Pretty much every form of statism, not just socialism, claims that it's better to have government manage the economy. The problem is, how can they do that? Let's ignore the problem of government being corrupt and cronyist like it always is. We'll have a government of well-intended saints. It still wouldn't work because of something called the economic calculation problem. In the economy, the price mechanism encapsulates all sorts of information communicated back and forth between producers and consumers about how much of a certain good or service is needed and where. How is government going to have anywhere near as good an ability to do the same thing? You'd have to try and figure out every single resource that's available, every single person that needs that resource, and how much of it they need. But even if you did have some superhuman ability to do all of that, by the time you did it, it all would have changed. Look at what happens when a new iPhone comes out. Lots of places sell out quickly, while others have plenty to sell. If Apple, one of the biggest companies in the world, can't figure this out for their own flagship product, how do you expect government to do it for all products and services economy-wide? How are they, or a central bank, even supposed to know what the interest rate should be? They can't. And their attempts to do so lead to things like the housing crisis. When British economist Peter Wiles visited Poland, he asked the Polish economists how they decided what the fixed price of goods should be. Their answer? They just copied the prices from capitalist countries. No government could ever be as responsive to the needs of the people as the people themselves.